Hi guys, Zach with ProLine Range Hoods here today, and we've got a quick and easy video for you for anyone who's purchased our outdoor barbecue range hood model series. In today's video, we're just going to talk about once you get to the installation of your baffle filters as well as the grease tray, how you guys can put those in properly and securely and just get that done really easy. Now I've grabbed our grease tray from the box. To install this, it's really easy. We're just going to come up underneath the range hood, and towards the front side, I kind of grab the grease tray from the bottom here because there's these teeth that are going to essentially latch on to this part of the range hood. Might just take a little bit of playing, but it'll kind of just be a snug fit just like that. Just kind of pinch it on there. You'll hear it kind of grab. Also inside of our box, if your range hood comes with spacers for the outdoor barbecue series, all you guys are gonna have to do is come up here into this middle section, and then we're going to slide one edge in, and then you can kind of just bring it back and you'll feel where it sits. And they need to be slid all the way to the ends. So on this model, we have two different spacers. So one's gonna go over here, and then the other one would go over on this side. And then lastly, we're gonna have our baffle filters themselves. And so this model's got two different rows. So for this back row, we're gonna do exactly what we did for that spacer. But if we wanna come here to the rear, we need to go through that middle portion again, just a little bit. And that'll give us the space that we need to come back and set it with the others. And then for the front row, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're just gonna flip sides so you guys can take your other filter and then again, find that middle piece. We'll go through it just a little bit like we did with the spacer and then bring it back. Then it can slide over into place. And that's it, super easy. Once you guys know how to do it, you can get it fully installed. Contact us for any other questions you guys might have, support@ProLineRangeHoods.com. Thanks so much for watching.